Another Sunday afternoon at the high school. It's July the 26th, 2026, and I'm over at the construction site at the Dr. Percy Julian High School. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done an update, and it looks like they've got quite a lot accomplished in those couple of weeks, so I thought I would bring a fresh update. I think that big open area right there in the middle is going to be where the football athletic field will be. And of course, going down behind the high school, there's a couple of areas for parking I see that they worked on. And then further off to the right, I think there's going to be an athletic facility there as well. This will be a state-of-the-art facility for the students of Montgomery, Alabama. They should be very proud of this. Montgomery should be very proud of this. There you can see they've got a lot of the brickwork done on that first section there. Well, there you have it. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.